Welcome everyone to another video of Writing Fever. In this session of the Writing Fever, we will be discuss another 20 question of the June 2020. In the previous session, we have discussed already about 20 question of the current affairs and GK of the June 2020. In this session, we will be discuss another 20 question. Okay, so you can use Writing Fever as a community builder, as a social media platform, as well as it is a learning hub. Okay, so if you want to download the PDF of the session that of the question answer that will be discussed on this session, you can download it from the link that will be given in the description. Okay, you can get touch with us through the YouTube link that you have seen on the screen. So if you want to work as a franchise or a paid content writer, you can contact us through our website, that is www.writingfever.com, and if you go to the registration page, that is www.writingfever.com/registration, you can directly register to our website and work as a franchise or as a content writer. If you have got any problem regarding our video, regarding our PDF, you can directly contact us through the WhatsApp number that is given on the screen, that is 70021345518. So let's get started. The first question of the session, that is question number 21 of June 2020, that is the Indian Railway along which PSU has commissioned first of kind solar plant in Bina, Madhya Pradesh to supply the power directly on the railway overhead line. That is, you can see there are about 5 options in this question, and the correct answer is the option number 2, that is Bharat Heavy Electric Limited. So let's get to the another question, that is question number 22. What is the India rank in the SDG Index 2020? Sweden rank is 1. That is according to the SDG Index 2020, which is the first rank? The first rank is the Sweden. And what is the rank of India? You can see there are 5 options, that is 89, 121, 117, 62 and 52, and the correct answer is the 117. Let's go down, that is question number 23. Who has authored the book titled Overdraft Saving Indian Saver? That is one of the most popular book in this time, and who has authored this book? You can see there are 5 options on the screen, and the correct answer is the option number 1, that is Ujjwal Patel. Let's go down, that is question number 24. What is the name of India's first social media super app which is launched by Vice President of India? Okay, one social media super app has been launched by India also, and it was launched by the Vice President of India. What is the name of it? You can see there are 5 options, and the correct answer is the Element. That is option number 3. Okay, let's go down, that is question number 25. You can see there that which government decided to upgrade the Dihing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary to the national park recently? Okay, which state government decided to upgrade the Dihing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary to the national park? You can see there are 5 options, and which is the correct answer for this question is the Assam. That's question number, that is option number 4. Let's go down, that is question number, you can see 26. You can see on the screen that who has appointed the first chairman of the International Financial Service Center Authority, that is IFSCA. Who is the first chairman of it? And you can see there are 5 options, and the correct answer is the Injeti Srinivas. The next question of the session is the name the company which collaboration with the ICMR NIV developed India first COVID-19 vaccine, that is Covaxin. What is the name of the company that launched develop one of the COVID vaccine? What name it? Its name is the Covaxin. And what is the name of the company? That is the Bharat Biotech. Let's go down, that is question number, you can see 28 on the screen. That is the Asia largest, world second largest data center, Yota NM1 data center was inaugurated by which state? That is, it is the second largest data center of the world, and the first largest data center of the Asia, and what is the name of the state that inaugurated it? That there are 5 options you can see, and the correct answer is the Maharashtra. Let's go down. That is question number 29. You can see on the screen, which country has formally issued notice to UN regarding the withdrawal of World Health Organization? That is WHO. Okay, which country has fully issued the notice UN regarding what? Withdrawal from of the World Health Organization, that is WHO. And the correct answer is the option number 3 from the options. The correct answer is the 3, that is United States. Let's go down. That is question number, you can see on the screen, that is question number 30. Bharat Dynamic Limited signed license agreement and transfer of the technology dash missile system with DRDO DRDL. Okay, what is the name of the technology or the missile? Okay, the correct answer is the Akash. Okay, in this area the Akash will be the correct answer. Okay, let's go down. That is question number 30. You can see on the screen is who is the chairman of the 9-member working group constitute of the IRDAI to look into the possibility of the settings pandemic risk pool. Okay, you can see there are 5 options. The correct answer is the option number 3, that is the Suresh Mathur. Okay, if you want to see like the explanation, and if you want to download the PDF of this session, you can directly download it from our website. Okay, the link will be given on the description. In the PDF you will be given the question answer as well as a brief description of the answer. Okay, let's go down. That is question number 32. You can see on the screen, that is the PM Modi inaugurated the Asia's largest solar power project, Rewa Ultra Mega Solar Power Project, in which state? Okay, what is the name of the state that launched this largest power project, solar power project? Okay, the correct answer is the Madhya Pradesh. That is option number 3. Let's go down. That is question number what? That is question number 33. Who shares to the independent panel pandemic preparedness and the response IPPR formulated by the World Health Organization? You can see there are 5 options. Okay, the first option is the Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, second option is the Helen Elizabeth Clegg, third option is the Horst Burden, and fourth option is the 1 and 2 both, and the third option is the 1 and 3 both, and the correct answer is the 4, that is 1 and 2 both, that is Ellen Johnson Sirleaf and the Helen Elizabeth Clegg. Let's go down. That is question number 34. Maharashtra government along which bank plan to set up a fund retrieve to slum rehabilitation authority project? The correct answer is the State Bank of India. Okay, State Bank of India along with Maharashtra plan to set up a fund to revive the slum rehabilitation authority project. Okay, let's go down. That is question number 35. You can see on the screen, that is which shares the advisory committee constituted by the SEBI method related to the regulation of the development of the mutual fund. Okay, the correct answer is the option number 4, that is Usha Thoret. Let's go down. That is question number 36. ISRO said to launch the Amazonia 1 Earth Observatory satellite on PSLV. The Amazonia first satellite belongs to which country? Okay, what is the name of the country that it belongs? Okay, there are 5 options you can see on the screen, and the correct answer is the Brazil, that is option number 3. Okay, let's go down. That is question number 37. Lee Hsien Loong has become the Prime Minister of the which country of June 2020? That is the Lee Hsien Loong is a Prime Minister of a country, and he was selected as a Prime Minister in 2020. What is the name of the country? There are 5 options, and you can see the correct answer is the Singapore. That is he is the Prime Minister of the Singapore. Okay, let's go on. That is option number 38. You can see on the screen, that is 2018 tiger census. Which country entered to Guinness Book of Record largest camera trap wildlife survey of the world? You can see on the screen, and the correct answer is the India. We can proud of it. So let's go down. That is option number 39. which India organization was conferred to the Development Marketplace Award for 2020 of the World Bank Group of the Sexual Violence Research Initiative, that is SBRI. There are 5 options you can see on the screen, and the correct answer is the 2, that is Institute of the Human Development. You can see the last question of the session, that is the who authored the book titled Song of India, A Song of India, and the correct answer is the 5 of among the answer. The correct answer is the Ruskin Bond. Okay, so that's all for today. If you want to download the PDF of this session, you can download it from the link that will be given on the description. Okay, so if you have not seen yet the session of May 2020 part 1, May 2020 part 2, May 2020 part 3, May 20 part 4, and May 2020 part 5, you can watch it, and you can also download the PDF from our website. You can note the question answer that we will discuss on the video. You can note it on your notebook. You can pause the video, write down the question, and then write down the correct answer. So it will be the surely course surely help you. So have a good luck, and hope you have learned something from this session. So if you want to work as a franchises or work as a content writer, so you can directly contact us through our website, that is www.writingfever.com. okay, if you got any problem regarding the content, regarding the PDF, you can directly contact us through the WhatsApp number that you have given on the screen, that is 700213458. So you can use Writing Fever as a community builder, as a social media platform, as a learning hub. So how it works, you can check out the video all about Writing Fever on Writing Fever channel. It will surely help you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.